Hello guys, welcome to our channel where you will get all technical solutions. So, today we will talk about how to create Gmail account without phone number or any verification. Let's open our Chrome browser first. Now, type Gmail sign up in your search bar and press enter. Choose the second link containing create your account text on it, as you can see here. Now, type your first name and last name you want to use as your Gmail username. You can also set your Gmail username different as compared to first and last name of yours. So, after selecting your username, now you have to choose your account password. According to the Google, it should be 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. But users can also choose combinations of only numbers, alphabets, and symbols. So, now click on the next button to proceed. It will ask you for a number. But as you can see here, it will be optional, so you don't have to fill it. Then just fill in your recovery email address and other information too. Such as your date of birth and gender. After filling all the details, click on the next button available down there. You can read all the privacy and terms of Google or simply click on the I agree button to continue. Now you have successfully made your Gmail account without using phone number. You can use other Google apps too, or click on the Gmail app to access your Gmail account. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share for more content.